Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dipanita's Creativity. In this video, I am going to show you how to grow and collect balsam seeds. Sprinkle some balsam seeds in a pot. After 3 to 4 days, germination should start. After 7 days of germination, after 20 days of germination, they are 4 to 6 inches tall. We have to transplant these plants in an individual pot or a grow bag. I use 50% garden soil, 25% compost, 25% sand. Then water the plant. But this soil is highly moist, so I am not watering. After 1.5 months, plants are bushy and are 12 inches tall. After 2 months, flowering have started. When flowers are dry, seed pods are formed. This seed pod is dark green. These seeds are green in color. They are not mature. This seed pod is light green. Seeds are brown. They are mature. I have collected matured seeds to germinate them next time. Keep these seeds 1 to 2 days in shade and let them dry. Store the seeds in an airtight container or a packet. Write the name of the flower on the packet. May to October is the best time for germinating seeds. This plant loves water, but due to overwatering, stem and root rotting may occur. Usually this plant is not attacked by pests.